Hello and welcome back to our new video class. Hi class 4. So as in our previous video class we seen our galaxy grammar all revision. Okay. So we had completed the revision about grammar. Yes. So today what we are going to do? Today we are going to see the selective questions from our four topics. From that we have two lessons and two poems. So first topic is the Scarlet Flower, a Russian folk tale. Then the poem 20 Froggies. Then the lesson Masha and the Bear. And the last poem for today's revision is the Old Rocking Horse. Okay, so from these four I think I had taught to you two, that is question and answer of Masha and the Bear and the Old Rocking Horse, the poem fully. Yes, so let's start the revision section about that today. Okay, so first of all, as you can see here, this is the screen about the question and answer related with the first lesson, that is the Scarlet Flower, a Russian folk tale. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, so the question is, the second daughter wanted a mirror as clear as. So what the second daughter wanted, a mirror as clear as, she wants the mirror as clear as like a crystal. Yes, so the crystal is correct answer. Then in the middle of the garden the merchant saw the most beautiful. What the merchant saw in the middle of the garden? He saw scarlet flower. So the scarlet flower is the correct answer. Then the next one is, when Nastenka saw the beast for the first time, she was, what happened when she saw the beast first time? Then she was terrified. So correct answer is terrified. Okay, you have to revise all the particular questions. Okay, so one night what happened? One night what happened? The dash dreamed that her father was very sick. So who got the dream about that her father was very sick? Nastenka. Okay, so Nastenka is the correct answer. Okay, so this is revision about our first topic. Because we didn't have more time, so I had seen to be confirmed like that. Okay, then our next topic is our first poem, that is 20 Froggies. Okay, so the 20 Froggies consist of certain questions like choose the correct option, answer the following question, there is certain language question, and choose the word from the box and fill in the correct blanks. Okay, so but I had chosen from that one question only, that is choose the correct option. Okay, but it's not mean that this question only comes in the examination. Okay, so be careful about your study, dear students. So the question is, what the school for the frogs was. So the school for the frogs was in near the river, beside a pool, or under a rock. Yes, the school for the frogs was beside a pool. So beside a pool is correct answer. Then the days then the bad boys troubled the froggies by. So how they troubled the froggies? By throwing sticks on at them, or catching them in nests, or throwing stones at them. So the correct answer is throwing sticks at them. Okay, then the next question is, the teacher of the 20 froggies was. So who was the how was the teacher of 20 froggies? They are clever and strong, they are helpful and kind, or they brave and stern. So the correct answer is, the teacher of the 20 froggies was brave and stern. So third number is correct option. सो अब हम नेक्स्ट टॉपिक को रिवाइज करेंगे. आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वॉज माशा एंड द बेयर. ओके, सो दैट स्टोरी वॉज वेरी interesting because the story that you are about to read has been adopted from a Russian folk tale, Masha and the Bear. in Russian culture, a folk tale is called Sakaska. Yes, the word Sakazat is Russian, means to say, and therefore Сказка or a folk tale simply means that which is told. So folk tale are stories that have been handed down from generation to generation, mostly by word of mouth. Okay, so let's see the question and answer of our of our topic, Masha and the bear. Okay, so what's the question here? Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option for the following. Okay, so Masha walked into the little hut in the forest because she wanted to meet the bear. She wanted help to get back home. She thought her friends were waiting for her in the hut. So the correct answer is option number 2. She wanted help to get back home. Okay. Then the next question is the before Masha left for the forest with her friends, her grandparents advised her. So, what the grandparents advised her? To stay close to her friends. Okay, so option number 3 is correct answer. Then the bear never let Masha step out of the house because. So, why the bear never let Masha step out of the house? Because he was afraid she might run away and never return. So the answer number 1 is correct. Okay. Then Masha asked the bear not to open the basket or eat anything from it because. So why Masha asked the bear to don't open the basket or don't eat anything from that basket? Because she was hiding under the pies and did not want to bear to catch her. So option number 2 is correct answer. Then Masha's grandparents were overjoyed to see her because. So why Masha's grandparents were overjoyed to see her? Because they loved her and were hoping that she would be alive. So option number 2 is correct answer. Then now we have to move towards our next topic, that is our second poem. The second poem is The Old Rocking Horse. Okay, so the questions are, I had selected that only these questions are in that your book, so that I can refer here the answer the questions. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to answer the following questions. So what is the first question? The first equation is that read the following sentences. What you have to do here, you have to read the following sentences, and then what you have to do, you have to read the poem again, and what you have to do then, you have to write down the words that rhyme. Okay, means you have to write down the rhyming words. So what you can find in the poem, the rhyming words like room bloom, land grand, eye high, sky eye, then fire's a fire, then ear here, sleep leap, moon room. They are certain rhyming words in your poem The Old Rocking Horse. Then the second question is, what places did the poet visit with his old rocking horse or rocking horse? So what are the places that the poet visited with his old rocking horse? The places where did roses blooms, then seas and far off lands, dragons on high mountains, then skies where eagles soars, land of the moon. That all the places were the poet seen with his old rocking horse. Okay, then the next question is, why do you think the rocking horse loved his master dearly? So I think that the rocking horse loved his master dearly as he has promised him that he would always be with him. So he wanted to love his master dearly. So the next question is, what is your favorite toy? Give 2 reasons why you like it more than your other toys. So my favorite toy is teddy bear because it has a fluffy fur and it is very soft. So I had loved him always, and so that I had loved my teddy bear rather than other my toys. Okay, then next question is describe the rocking horse. So how was the rocking horse? The rocking horse is made of wood. Yes, it has eyes like the sapphire, and it stands by the fire. So I had described the old rocking horse also. So as you can see, dear students, I think that you people got certain distractions from that, or you may not have the PDFs of the old rocking horse question answer, but I had sent it that previously also. But if you might lost your PDF, so I had again sent it, I had again prepared that question answer in this video. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to see again the question and answer, and then you can refer it. Okay, dear students, so I had made it all the question answer here. So that's it for this video, guys. We will meet very soon. Till the time, keep loving literature and stay with us. And in our next video class, we have to complete our portion about literature, that is two lessons and two poems: Life on the Iceland, a new experience, then Trees, then Weaving Dreams of Gold, and The Snare. Okay, so wish you all the very best, my dear students, and don't be nervous. Okay, keep a big smile on your face and face the examination. Okay, so have to be careful about that. So don't worry more about the examination. Go with very easy mind. You will get definitely from that, because if you have studied well, yes, if you had studied well, then definitely you got the fruit. Okay, so be careful. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video class with our next